You can design barcode labels for different industries using DRPU barcode label software. Different types of sheets are available in the market. Firstly, choose your barcode label sheets. Now, we're going to design barcode labels for retail sector. For example, we have choose 45.7 by 21.1 mm sheets. Create your barcode label and put your sheets in printer. Your barcode labels are printing. Here, your barcode labels are ready to use. We have also created labels for warehousing industry with the same procedure. You can see here labels are printing.